Alright, good evening. Today we're going to be exploring gummy bear osmosis. Now, gummy bears are made of gelatin and water, and when they're made, they get dehydrated and have the water all sucked out from them, which is why you get this hard, dry substance right in front of you. But what's interesting about these gummy bears is if you put them in water, they don't dissolve, unlike other candies. So, something unique happens here. So, the way that gummy bears are made, they actually have really small holes on their surface, which allows water to get in and get out. And so, I set up 2 cups, 2 cups, and I have table salt. I'm going to add into one of the cups, and I'll just add water to both cups. This is actually water. Oh. So here I add some salt. Okay. Next, I add the water. And this one has no salt. And lastly, I drop in the gummy bears. One in here, and one in the regular water. And now we wait 6 to 10 hours for them to soak up. Okay, so as you can see here, I've extracted the gummy bears from the cups. It's been 6 to 10 hours already. This large blob is the gummy bear in the normal water, and this regular one is the one that I placed in the salt water solution. And then here's a normal one that wasn't in the water at all. Now, I did dispose of the water already, but it's quick to note that some of the water did change colors a little bit to the color of the gummy bears, but it wasn't much. So, as you can notice, there are different sizes in the gummy bears. The one in the normal water is clearly larger than the one that's in a salt solution and the one that wasn't in water. The reason the saltwater one and normal water and the non-water gummy bear are roughly the same size is because there's more salt molecules in the water than there is gelatin. So the water tries to attract itself to the salt molecules to equal that out. But if you look at just the water, you can see that there's more salt concentration within the gummy than outside of the gummy. And as a result of osmosis, the water wanted to move to an area of lower concentration, which was inside the gummy bear. So water seeped into the gummy bear through those little holes and expanded this gummy bear to this large globular size that we see in front of us. So to basically sum it all up, when I put the gummy bear in the water, the gummy bear, which is a solute, becomes in a solution of water molecules, which are the solvent, and water molecules move into the bear by the process of osmosis, and the gummy bears in the water were considered hypertonic, meaning that there's a higher concentration of solute inside a bear than outside, which caused it to increase in size.